To Miss Reyes, all the teachers, and all the students who attended the bullying prevention presentation I hosted on Thursday. Words cannot express my gratitude. No idea where to begin, but here goes. I'm honored and thankful for the warm welcome I received from the time I entered the building to the time I left. I'm extremely thankful to each of you for taking the time to sit and listen to my bullying prevention presentation and for accommodating and fitting me into your busy schedules. Special thanks to Miss Reyes, who made it all possible for me to host my bullying prevention presentation at Sandshore. She works with my busy schedules and answers to my many emails. She is a true gem. Thank you again, Miss Reyes. I was also so happy to see some of my teachers from my past. Thank you for all the warm hugs. You all deserve a pat on the shoulder. Because of the knowledge you shared with me, I'm now able to stand in front of so many young faces and share some of my knowledge. Thank you again, Sandshore Elementary. From Kaylee.